Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to leave a team on Royal Match. In order to leave a team on Royal Match, first of all, go ahead and open up your Royal Match application on your phone. Now once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the team icon at the bottom of the screen, this one over here, and once you do that, click on the team info button at the top. Now, you will see options that says leave or edit. In order to leave the team, simply tap on the red leave button. In the pop-up, click on yes, and you have now successfully left a team in Royal Match. Once you leave your team, you can either create a new one, join a different team, or play solo. So that is how it's easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Royal Match tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.